Hi beautiful, let's learn how to escape the boring black eyeliner and add some color to your life. Cobalt blues are totally hot this fall season. This look will be awesome to wear on a gloomy day, girls' night out, or when you're feeling totally naughty and wild. Okay, let's get started on this beautiful look. First step is to always prime your eyelids with the eye primer. If you're new to makeup, priming your eyelids helps with making your eyeshadow become crease-proof and more vibrant colors. If you have oily eyelids like me, then primer is a must. I'm using a liquid eyeshadow made by NYX. Using an eyeliner brush, apply the liquid eyeshadow on your top lash line. If you find it easy, apply the eyeshadow in small strokes to ensure a straight line. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just clean it up. Time to add a wing to your eyeliner. Start at the outer corner of your eye and draw an angled line. It's up to you how far you want to take the line. I decided to keep it simple and let the color add the drama. Now you're going to connect the angled line to your lash line. Draw another line down towards your lash line, forming a V shape at the outer corner of your eyes. Using a Q-tip, you can clean up the shape of the eyeliner. Just lightly dip the Q-tip in water and shape out your eyeliners to your desired shape. It took me a couple of tries. Sometimes I can be such a perfectionist. Take a metallic blue eyeshadow and apply it to your eyeliner to set the color and avoid any smear smudges, and to make the color much more vibrant. I wanted to make the eyeliner pop more, so I used a cobalt blue eyeliner and applied it onto my eyes. For an eyeliner-only look, I find that bolder eyebrows are a must to make your eyes stand out. Apply thick coats of mascara if you're not into wearing false eyelashes. I decided to glam it up and wear some false eyelashes. I'm done with my eyes and I'm going to finish up the look with foundation, blush, and some neutral lips. This is my complete look. Hope you guys try it out. Comment below and let me know how the look worked for you. Always be confident, love yourself, and the rest will follow. Do you enjoy my videos? Comment below and please subscribe. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.